everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grace again. Kumusta po kayo? Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell notification down below para updated po kayo every time na nag-upload ako. At bago ko po simulan yung content ko for today, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood, pakikinig sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And again, I am not an agent. To this disclaimer, I am not an agent. Hindi po ako connected sa lahat ng mga agency na binabanggit ko, binibigay ko po sa inyo. Tinutulungan ko lang po kayo on how to apply online. And I also provide a license for you to validate. At simulan na po natin. So, yung ibibigay ko pong, yung place po na pagtatrabahuan nyo or pag-applyan nyo is sa Japan. So, magbibigay po ako ng 10 trabaho. The first one is care worker. Qualification at least 2 years of experience and 18 years old and above. Agency, Zontar Manpower Services Incorporation. Work location, again, still Japan. Gender, you can apply male and female. Vacancy, 10 person. Posted, November 4, 2021, apply until December 3, 2021. License number PUEA-163-LB-092210-R. License validity, September 27, 2028 until September 26, 2022. Number 2, job, Lathe Operation. Qualification, minimum of 1 year of experience and 18 years old and above. Agency, CHARTREUSE Prime Recruitment Specialist. Gender, any. Work location, Japan. Vacancy, they need 10. Date posted November 4, 2021 and apply until December 3, 2021 I should say. License number PUEA-191-LB-111414-R. License validity December 7, 2018 until December 6, 2022. Number 3 job, Contract Management Engineer. Agency, ABD Overseas Manpower Corporation. Gender, any. Qualification, at least minimum of 3 years of experience and 18 years old and above. Vacancy, they need 2. Date posted, I should say, October 28, 2021, apply until November 26, 2021. License number PUEA-105-LB-040516-R. License validity May 2, 2020 until May 1, 2024. Number 4 job, Carpentry. Agency, Alpha MANPOWERLINK Agency Corporation. Gender, any. Qualification, at least 1 year of experience and 18 years old and above. Vacancy, 2. Date posted October 28, 2021 until November 26, 2021. License number PUEA-001-LB-010918-PL. License validity January 8, 2021 until January 8, 2022. Number 5 job, Industrial Packaging. Agency, Alpha MANPOWERLINK Corporation. Qualification, at least 1 year of experience and 18 years old and above. Vacancy, they need 3. Date posted October 28, 2021 until November 26, 2021. License number PUEA-001-LB-010918-PL. License validity January 9, 2021 until January 8, 2022. Number 6 job, Frame Worker. Qualification, 1 year of experience and 18 years old and above. Agency is still the same, Alpha MANPOWERLINK Corporation. Gender, any. Vacancy, they need 3. Date posted October 28, 2021. Apply until November 26, 2021. License number PUEA-001-LB-010918-PL. License validity January 9, 2021 until January 8, 2022. Number 7 job, plumber. Qualification, at least 1 year of experience. Number 2, 18 years old and above. Agency, NHRFI, Human Resources International Incorporation. Gender, male and female. Vacancy, they need 3. Date posted November 5, 2021 until December 4, 2021. License number PUEE-248-LB-111418-R. License validity February 1, 2019 until January 31, 2023. Number 8 job, non-heated fisher process food stop, MFG work. Qualification, at least 1 year and 18 years old and above. Agency, NHRFI, Human Resources International Incorporation. Gender, male and female. Vacancy, they need 3. Date posted November 5, 2021 until December 4, 2021. License number PUEA-248-LB-111418-R. License validity February 1, 2019 until January 31, 2023. Number 9 job, precast concrete manufacturing. Qualification, at least 1 year and 18 years old and above. Agency, NHRFI, Human Resources International Incorporation. Gender, male and female. Vacancy, they need 3. Date posted November 5, 2021 until December 4, 2021. License number PUEA-248-LB-111418-R. License validity February 1, 2019 until January 31, 2023. And then the last one is waterproofing. Qualification, at least 1 year of experience and 18 years old and above. Agency, NHRFI, Human Resources International Incorporation. Gender, male and female. Vacancy, they need 3. License number PUEA-248-LB-111418-R. License validity February 1, 2019 until January 31, 2023. For further validation of status, please visit the website www.puea-gov.ph. And how to apply para sa mga trabaho na binigay ko sa 10 trabaho, please visit www.workabroad.ph. So that's it for today. Yan po yung 10 trabaho na binigay ko para sa inyo. So sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell notification para updated po kayo every time na mag-upload ako. And sa mga nangailangan ng trabaho, you can also share my videos para po makatulong din po kayo. And you can leave your comment down below. Please also click the like. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. Bye!